Amid rise in the number of cases in India, 10 staff of a restaurant in Mumbai's Andheri tested positive for COVID-19, raising an alarm. Maharashtra has been one of the states where COVID numbers have gone up drastically in the last few weeks. India recorded 16,800 new cases in the last 24 hours with 12,800 new recoveries. Active cases in India rose over 1.75 lakh. The last time it was more than 1.75 lakh was on January 27th. Now, Maharashtra has reported 9,000 new cases, Kerala has reported 2,600 new cases, and Punjab has recorded 1,000 new cases. Even as the second phase of India's COVID-19 vaccine drive continued in full swing, India has also continued to send vaccines across the different countries in the world. The Narcotics Control Bureau is expected to submit its charge sheet today in the drug probe related to the death of Bollywood actor Sushant Singh Rajput. The charge sheet is expected to have more than 1,000 pages. Sushant's girlfriend Rhea Chakraborty, her brother Shouvik Chakraborty and 33 others were arrested in this case. Among those arrested were people associated with Bollywood, Sushant's domestic help, alleged drug peddlers and suppliers. 5 accused in the case are still absconding. The NCB had in August last year registered 2 cases related to drugs in connection with the death of Rajput. The NCB had then arrested Rajput's girlfriend Rhea Chakraborty and her brother Shouvik Chakraborty in connection with the case besides several other persons in September last year. They are currently out on bail. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee may face a contest with her former top aide Suvendu Adhikari, who defected to the BJP in the high-stakes election starting in weeks. At a strategy meeting last evening featuring Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the BJP discussed fielding Suvendu Adhikari in Nandigram, one of the 2 seats Mamata Banerjee has pledged to contest. The other candidate discussed in the meeting held to finalize names for initial rounds of voting was Babul Supriyo, the BJP's Asansol MP. Sources say the union minister volunteered his name for Bhawanipur, Mamata Banerjee's constituency, and the second seat she is likely to contest in the assembly election that will stretch over 8 rounds and 33 days. Irregularities worth crores of rupees have been found in ongoing raids on filmmaker Anurag Kashyap, actor Taapsee Pannu and others, the Income Tax Department said on Thursday, countering allegations of crackdown on some of the biggest critics of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi's administration in Bollywood. According to tax officials, their searches so far have found issues worth rupees 5 crore in cash received by Taapsee Pannu and rupees 300 crore income by Anurag Kashyap's former production house, among other problems. Neither of them have responded to the charges yet. Indian Americans are taking over the country, US President Joe Biden said in a lighter vein on Thursday, referring to the high number of people from the community getting a place in his administration. In less than 50 days of his presidency, Joe Biden has appointed at least 55 Indian Americans to key leadership positions in his administration, ranging from his speechwriter to the NASA to almost every wing of the government. He said, and I quote, "Indian of decent Americans are taking over the country. You, that is Swati Mohan, my vice president, that is Kamala Harris, and my speechwriter, which is Vinay Reddy," Biden said in a virtual interaction with NASA scientists who were involved in the historic landing of Perseverance at Mars. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying rupees 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our super supporter by paying rupees 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our super supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.